I just did a face yoga thing, so I had my eye makeup on, but I want to put the rest of my makeup on now. And I'm just going to show you how easy this Seint palette is. Well worn, as you can see. Really love this makeup. So I'm going to put a brightening highlight in the inner corner of my eye and down about halfway toward the bridge of my nose. Outer corner. I'm going to put a dot on upper and lower lip and a little starburst on my forehead. And just a little bit down the bridge of my nose. So that's my brightening highlight. I'm not putting it under here at the most wrinkly part of my eye. My main color is Athens. You can't see it too much because it blends in with my skin so well. And just putting a couple dots. You can apply with a brush. I just kind of got in the habit of doing it this way and I find it so fast. Put a little bit there. You don't need much of this. Use less than you think you need. You can always add more. I like to add a little warmth, so I'm using Tan Lines bronzer and I'm going to put that cheekbone, jawline, temple. And that gives a nice warm glow. And then contour. People get really scared of this, but it's super easy. I'm gonna put a little bit at the top of my forehead to create the illusion of shortening. I'm gonna put some on my chin and at the jawline just to kind of sharpen that. And then to get a pop on the cheekbones, right under that cheekbone. And I just go about an inch. I don't go toward my mouth or anything like that. I don't want to look gaunt. I just want to get a little lift there. I'm going to blend all that in. So powder brush is my favorite brush. I use the tapered end to blend the lighter colors or the colors around my eyes. And I'm patting it in, not swirling, not swiping. And then I'm just going to go all over with the other end. And these brushes are made for the cream makeup. They don't absorb the makeup and get clumpy. If you use another brand of brush, you'll find they get clumpy and then don't distribute the makeup. I just made a mess of my hair, but that's okay. And this is just wonderful for anyone with dry, mature skin. And I'm gonna add a little bit of blush, and I like this blush and bronzer. So I'm gonna go with Sandstone. And I'm putting that high on the cheekbone, blending in, and a little bit around the temples, bridge of the nose. I'll use a little illuminator, a little rose gold right there on the cheekbone. And I'll just sort of blend down onto my neck with whatever's left on my brush. Last step, pat everything in with a sponge. So I just go over my whole face. My sponge is dry. I know a lot of people like a damp sponge. If my skin's really dry, I will spray a hydrating spray on the sponge and do this. And then you want to look into a magnifying mirror, make sure there's nothing stuck in your lines or nothing that you've left unblended. And let me freshen up my lips a bit. And that's it. If you have any questions about this great makeup, let me know. I'll be happy to help you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.